afternoon, you guys. It's snow. What's up, you guys? It's snow. Outside, it's snow. It went away. But it's coming back. It's snowing, you guys. Yeah. Actually, it's sleet. Which is so much fun. Sleet's so much fun, you guys. Yeah. So right now, you guys, I'm just going to organize my living room a lot because somebody commented that I should clean up my room. Yeah, I know. I just don't know where to put everything, really. That's the key. So I'm gonna clean up my room. The room. Get rid of some stuff that I don't really need. And let's do that, you guys. So talk to you guys when I'm doing this. How clean it is, I just had to vacuum and clean up some other stuff, but it's much better than before, you guys. Stop complaining about my apartment now. So hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, because my boss asked me to come a little bit earlier than normal, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put something on so I don't sleep. So I hope you guys, I will talk to you guys when I'm done. Right now, you guys, I'm just done laundry, so that's what I'm doing, so talk to you guys in. Look outside, you guys. It's snowing really badly. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. I cleaned my apartment a little bit. It's much better than before. Tomorrow I'm gonna probably stop vacuuming. Put some little bit of that stuff away, which you guys can't see because it's so dark. Because I told the hydro head out, and I totally forgot to shut the light back on. So I just have this stuff to clean up. My floor, you guys can see it at least. So, hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye!